morning and welcome back to my channel. So I'm back with another video, and in today's video I'm gonna do my morning routine. So it's very early in the morning for me. It's around 7:30. So I thought of filming my morning routine today, and so sorry for the voice because my nose is all blocked. So this is the new thing which happens with me nowadays. Each morning when I woke up, my nose is all choked up, and it just gets normal within some time. But yeah, so let me just make it clear. Mornings these days are not so chilled. It's a busy morning because my online classes have already started, so mornings are quite busy. It starts from like 8:40 and goes on till evening 4 or 5, so becomes really difficult for me. And yeah, however, today I have sort of half day, so it would be easier for me to vlog. There's a gap of some 1 or 2 hours in between, so I'll just vlog in between. I just woke up and I sat here, as you can clearly see. So now I'll be just going and I'll just get freshened up, and then I'll be back here. Okay you guys, so my brushing is all done, so I just thought that I should show you what all my morning skincare actually includes. So there are just two very common things. So first one is a face wash, obviously, so it's this clean and clear one, and the second thing which I have is this one. So yeah, that's the all morning skincare that I have. Okay you guys, so it's already 8 now, so we need to rush. So first of all, I'm gonna have my morning drink, and also I'm gonna have a bath after that. So yeah. Okay, so I've got my morning drink right here, and you might have seen that I've not used any social media or in general my phone during the morning. So I don't really do that, but during the time when I'm having my morning drink, I'll just go through my mails during this time. That's the only thing that I do during the morning. I don't actually use social media, or don't even scroll through the news or anything in the morning. So yeah, so I'm just gonna check my mails along with my morning drink, and then we need to go and have a bath. Hey you guys, so I'm just back after my bath. Now the thing is, this is the actual time when I have my breakfast, but today I'm running really late. So as I said, I have gaps between the lectures. I'll have my breakfast during that gaps, and also it's already 8:35, so I just need to join in my classes. Also the nose thing is just getting worse rather than getting better. Anyways, let's just join in. Okay you guys, so my lectures are all over. Like the first one is over, the next one I have it at 12, so I have a gap of around 2-3 hours. So first we're gonna have the breakfast, then I have something to be sorted, so we're gonna do that. Okay, so here I have the breakfast. I have thepla and some pickle over here, so we're gonna eat that. And also parallelly, I'm gonna just, as I said in the morning, I'm just gonna reply to the mails that I need to. So yeah. Okay you guys, so I just need to go to my college, like the college which I passed out from this year. So I have to go there to pick some documents, and it's already 10:30. I have to be back by 12, so again a rush. So I'll see you guys later. Hey you guys, so I'm just back. So I went there for some document related things, so that didn't get completed today, so I'll have to go again tomorrow. And that was as expected, and especially this document related things, I just hate it. It takes so much time, and yeah, whatever, let's just not talk about it. So I'm just back, and I have lecture at 12, so we have 10-15 minutes left for that. So I'm gonna show you something. So I got a cute little thing from Bioderma yesterday, so I'm just gonna show you that. Again, it's non-sponsored, so they have, you know, just sent me this cute little tin jar and I just love this jar. I have one of this already, and this one is the second. I just love it. Then we have the second, like the product itself. So this one is the Bioderma Sensibio H2O. So if you have been watching my videos since long, you already know how much I love this one. I have many bottles of this one. Like, I'll just insert a clip of all the stock that I have from Bioderma. I just love this. And also, if you're someone with mild skin, sensitive skin, this is a must have, and it's a really good product. So I just use it very often. So yeah, and now let's just join in the class, and then I'll get back to you. Okay you guys, so I'm just joining in my class. Like, it's 12, so I need to join in. Also, I'm ending this vlog right here because morning has got so long, so I be having lunch after my lecture. So obviously I'm ending my morning routine right here. There was a busy morning. Like, I usually don't have this kind of mornings, but thanks to college. So yeah, that was all about today's morning routine video, and I hope you guys would have loved it.